Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today's lecture is for chapter 1. So the topic is function. So we have learning outcomes here. So at the end of this lecture, students should know the definition of function and relation and the difference between function and relation. Okay, so now what is function? What do you know about function, class? Okay, so function or relation relates an output to an a function or relation relates an input to an output. Okay, so if we have here output, this one is output. So if we have like a box here, come out from the box here is the output. Okay, input and output. Input masuk, output yang keluar daripada box ataupun satu tempat. Okay, but before that, you should also know about the relation. What is the relation? Relation can be any relation. Dia tidak ada tidak terhad kepada sesuatu peraturan. But a function is special because of it has special rule. What is the special rule? Okay, what are the special rules? First, it must be one-to-one relation or many-to-one relation. Okay, what is one-to-one relation? One, satu image kepada satu objek kepada satu image. This one is we also call as object from the first set A, and then from set B we call as image. A to 1, B to 2, C to 3. Okay, so one-to-one function or one-to-one relation. Okay, so for many-to-one, banyak kepada satu. B and C, banyak, right? Dia pergi kepada satu image sahaja. So we call it as many-to-one. We have another relation here that is many-to-many. So many-to-many is not a function, but it is a relation. So for this example, many-to-many, B pada C, okay, B pada C, B and C have the same image, C one to many. This one many to one, okay, this one is one to many. So this is called as many-to-many relation. That is, it is not a function. Okay, so next. So if we have a mapping here, this one is set A and set B. So X is the input, and then under the function f, we obtain the output is fx. We call it as f of x or fx. Okay, that's how we pronounce fx. F of x or fx. Okay. So next, you should know that the output of f is obtained by substituting the value of x in fx. Okay, for example here, you consider fx equals 2x minus 3. Okay, so when x equals 0, we also call as input. So you replace x by 0 here. So 2 times 0 minus 3, the answer is negative 3. So negative 3 is called as output. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Output of f is obtained by substituting the value of x in fx. Okay, so next, if we have x equals 1, so you replace x by 1 now. Okay, so 2 times 1 minus 3 equals minus 1, right? Okay, so what happened when x equals 2? You just replace x by 2 here, x by 2. So 2 times 2 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so for x equals minus 1, so replace x by negative 1, so and then simplify this, you will get negative 5. Okay, so what happens now when x equals a? Not a number, but a. You just replace x by a here, then you will obtain 2x minus 3. Okay, class? And then now look at when x equals x plus h. Okay, so replace x by x plus h. So equals 2 times x plus h minus 3. When you simplify this, you will get 2x plus 2h minus 3. Okay, so this one for the first example. Okay, so the next example we will look at in the next video. So I stop here first and then we can continue in another video.